So which court should you file the motion to get your gun rights back in Arizona? It's a little bit trickier than it first seems. The short answer is you file the motion to ask for your gun rights back in the same court where you were convicted. So wherever you went in for like sentencing and the judge says, I sentence you to, jail time or probation, or I give you these fines, whatever, that court is where you have to file the motion to get your gun rights back. And the reason why I said it's kind of tricky is just because some people think that just because they live here in Arizona, they can file a motion to get their gun rights back here in Arizona, even though their case is out of another state. Like say their case is out of Colorado, they think that because they live here, they can use Arizona laws. And I guess that's a fair assumption, but it's not. That's not the case. It doesn't work that way. You can't have a case out of state and then try to file the motion to get your gun rights back here in Arizona. It does work the opposite way, though. I mean, if you have a case where you got convicted in, Maricopa County back in 2007, and now you live in, Wisconsin, you can file the motion to get your gun rights back in Arizona, even though you live in Wisconsin. So anyway, so that's where you file the motion to get your gun rights back. That's what court you do it. And again, that's either whether it's Superior Court where a case was out of, if it was a DUI and justice, well, a DUI you wouldn't have to because it's a misdemeanor. But if there's a case out of Superior Court in Maricopa County or Pima County or Coconino County, that's where you file the motion to get your gun rights back. And then with that said, if you have more than one case in different counties, obviously you have to file the motion to get your gun rights back in each of those counties. You have to file a separate motion in each county to get your gun rights back for each case number. And so you'll have to do that. So anyways, so that's where you file the motion to get your gun rights back here in Arizona. Tomorrow I'll talk about which are the required forms that you have to file with the court to get your gun rights back, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.